Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a crucial skill for students, time management. Whether you're in high school or college, managing your time effectively is key to academic success and a balanced life. So let's dive into some practical tips and strategies to help you make the most of your time. Time management is essential for students because it helps reduce stress, improve focus, and increase productivity. By effectively managing your time, you can ensure that you have enough hours in the day to study, attend classes, participate in extracurricular activities, and still have time for yourself. Here are some tips for effective time management. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve and set specific, achievable goals for your studies, projects, and activities. Prioritize tasks. Identify the most important and urgent tasks and tackle them first. This will help you stay on top of your workload and avoid last-minute rushes. Create a schedule. Use a planner or digital calendar to map out your study sessions, classes, and other commitments. This will help you visualize your time and allocate it wisely. Avoid procrastination. Procrastination can be a major time waster. Try breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps and tackle them one at a time. Take breaks. It's important to take regular breaks to rest and recharge. This can actually improve your overall productivity. So, there you have it, some practical tips for effective time management. By implementing these strategies, you can take control of your time and set yourself up for success in your academic journey. Remember, time management is a skill that takes practice, so be patient with yourself as you work to improve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on student success. Also, let me know in the comments below what other topics you'd like to see covered. Until next time, take care and good luck with your studies.